How to remove your Gmail account from another device. If your Gmail account is signed in on another phone, computer, or device, and you want to remove it for security reasons, this video will show you how to sign out your Gmail account remotely. Let's start. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. Go to myaccountgoogle.com and sign into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, tap on Security. Now scroll down to the section called Your Devices. Here, tap on Manage Devices. You will now see a list of all devices where your Google account is currently signed in. Carefully check the list. Tap on the device you want to remove. Now tap Sign Out. Google will ask for confirmation. Tap Sign Out again. That device is now removed, and your Gmail account is signed out remotely. Important security steps you should take next. Change your Gmail account password immediately. Turn on two-step verification for extra protection. Review recent security activity in your Google account. If the device was lost or stolen, this step is very important. To summarize, open Google account settings. Go to Security. Manage Devices. Sign out from the unknown device. That's it. This is the safest way to remove your Gmail account from another device. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay connected for more account security and privacy tutorials.